Shake. Perfect. There they go. Stop shot. There they.
Okay guys, scarf ready. So you guys, I wish I could record it in here more often because I feel like the lighting in here is like way better than it is in my room. And yeah, so whatever. Anyways guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of watching my video, thank you very much. Please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And if this is not your first time but you somehow manage to forget to subscribe anytime you watch my videos, I get it, I feel you, I've been there. But hold up, let's give you a minute to subscribe. We're giving you a minute, 30 seconds, 60, whatever you need. Take your time, don't rush, slow touch, make a good check. That's that. And if you've subscribed and you always refer a friend or you try to keep up with me or whatever it is, thank you very much for your support. So anyways, today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my finger waves, which I'm going to attach somewhere on the screen. So basically I asked you guys on my Instagram if you guys wanted a tutorial, and majority of you said yes. I'm going to relax my hair first. That's the first thing, relaxing your hair. If your hair is natural, you definitely cannot do this hairstyle. First thing you need when relaxing your hair is a hair cream, because apparently that helps, to prevent your scalp or your skin from getting burnt, something like that. And then I have my relaxer with me. So let's just dive. Oh gosh, I have to take out my scarf again. So yeah, let's take out the scarf. Don't say a word. In my defense, I need to shower, like I haven't. So the next thing we're gonna be using is the relaxer. Hope you guys are not expecting like a professional video or anything, because I'm really like, this is just basically how I learned how to do my finger waves. Like all I know is first things first, your hair has to be permed down and your scalp needs to be like less busy before you relax your hair. I think people used to pour powder on their hair before relaxing it. Am I making this shit up or people actually do? But anyways, this relaxer is not going to stay on too long because I relaxed my hair like 3 to 4 weeks ago, so it's still kind of, relaxed-ish. Fuck, I have an injury on my scalp.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they...
This is like the worst way to relax your hair, I promise you. I didn't even make an effort to be professional a bit. Get those baby hair. Okay, I think the reason why they comb the hair is because, obviously they want to make sure the relaxer is in the hair. Did I forget to say, I think I said it when I told recording, but oh shit, my ear. If you're looking for a video on how to relax your hair, please do not listen to this girl or do not follow everything I've done here. So if you're looking for a video on how to relax your hair, then watch that somewhere else, okay? But do not. But you get the point, my hair's burning. To recover from that injury because it wasn't easy. Okay guys, so you want to make sure your hair is damp a little bit. You guys can see where my hair is wet-ish. Oh shit, you can see. And then the next thing, oh shit, I forgot my mirror. I'm always forgetting my mirror. You guys see, it's coming together. So let me brush. This is why I always relax my hair, because it's just easy for me to like slick it down. The next thing I'm going to be using is my hair mousse. So this is very important because I don't think you can achieve your finger waves. Excuse me, I don't think you can achieve. Oh my god, can you guys see my skin? I'm literally like, this is why I like slicking my hair down, because it's as if my face just comes out like. Now this is the part where you pay attention, okay? So you just go like this. It's like you're moving down. So It's like you're, I really do not know how to explain the motion, but it's like you're doing this. I think it's like you're spelling, is it W? Yeah, W is like, so it's just like you're spelling, you get, so it's like out, in, you get what I'm saying? So, this is what I'm trying. Where is this? But you just move your hand this way. And you have to like take the hair at once. Like when you do this, you go back and then you bring them forward together. So can you see it created that, and then you just start from where you stopped, that's here, and then you just go again. So it's okay to make a mistake. Like when you make a mistake, that's fine. All you just have to do is just brush it down, and you try to, start from where you stop. So we're going to start from this first one here. So you take your comb, you start from where you stop. So that's this one, and then you just go like this. Okay guys, so I don't like the way this side is looking. I feel like doing it again. So, oops. I think I want to do the back as well. But because I can't see, okay, let me just put it, because I don't know how to explain the motion in which my hand is moving. But basically, at the back, I'm just going to do this. Like you're just moving. Try not to stop, just do it continuously. You get till you're done. So when you put the comb on your hair, just drag it to the front, move it to the back, bring it to the front, move it to the back, just like that. So let's try. I'm not promising, but let's try and do the back of my hair. I've never done the back before because I can't see shit. But because of you guys, today I'm feeling brave. I'm feeling. Take your comb. And basically, I'll start from here. This is just for extra shine. And then, so guys, this is pretty much the finished look. This is what my hair looks like right now, and I am definitely loving this look. So I'm really happy with myself, and I hope you guys are happy with what you're seeing. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you get notified when I drop another video. Okay, bye.